Hello, in this video I would like to show you a simple modification that you can do to your NR-1 noise blanker to make the PTT behavior a little bit better and possibly eliminate some of the problems that you might have encountered in the past. I have tested this modification and it works great. As you know from my previous video, I do have RF in the PTT line in the shack and also some DC offset, some positive DC offset. So these things are causing me problems with the PTT line, and I cannot directly use the PTT line out of the ICOM IC7300 to directly drive the NR1 PTT. So I decided to do something to relax a little bit the things and make the PTT action a little bit better. So I'm going to, this modification has worked very well for me, and I'm going to perform this modification in the newer serial numbers of the NR1. So if you have serial number 140 and above, I am going to do this modification, but if you have serial number 139 and below, you have to do it by yourself. Now, don't get rushed to do this modification if you are already using an external isolation relay. You would probably not need to do this modification, and also you would not need to do this modification if your PTT is working correctly as it is. So this modification is only for the people that have serial number 139 and below and are experiencing problems with the PTT one way or the other. So it's very simple, and I have described it in the newer version of the manual of the NR1. But I thought that I would make also a small video about it for those of you that haven't checked the manual. So the modification is very simple. If you see here, at this point, we have this resistor, which is normally a 10K resistor. And all you have to do is to replace this 10 kilo ohms resistor with a 220 kilo ohms resistor. Okay, that's a 220 kilo ohms resistor, 220 kilo ohms resistor. So that's all you need to do. Desolder or destroy the older one and cut the pins here if you don't want to get to the trouble to remove the whole PCB from the enclosure, and solder at the pads a new resistor, a 220 kilo ohms resistor, and this will really improve the action of the PTT, and you won't have relay fluctuations anymore, which would cause problems to your NR1. So that's it, guys. I hope I have helped you with this video, and yeah, please do this modification if you have serial number 139 and below and you experience problems with your PTT. Thanks a lot for watching.